Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I did a video basically showing you a step-by-step formulation, or I could say how I mix my lip gloss base with my oils. It pretty much depends on how or what is the consistency of your glosses, or what is your desired consistency for your lip gloss base. So you'll need to watch this video throughout, because I'll be just actually demonstrating. The steps are clear. I go back and forth with the different oils that I have, and it's up to you how much oils you want. And I do have a digital scale, so whatever I do or whatever gloss base I'm going to be needing, I do measure it. So for 10 lip gloss cubes, which are 10 mils, I normally measure 60 grams, which could be equivalent to 60 mils of gloss base before even adding the oils. So I go in with 60 grams of versagel. Then I'll mix all the oils that I'll have until I get the consistency that I desire. And you will see me adding back and forth, and I usually go in like with a tablespoon, like the plastic spoon that I use for mixing. I use that to actually measure my oils. And I am going to add some flavoring oil, which is cotton candy, but I just go in with a few drops because I don't want my glosses to be extremely fragranced. I just want them to have a touch of fragrance. As we all know, they are vegan, and I want to keep everything with as minimal fragrance as possible. So yeah guys, I just hope you are going to enjoy this video. The oils that I used are castor oil, fractionated coconut oil, and vitamin E oil. I hope you guys will enjoy the video. You watch it until the end. You'll give it a thumbs up. Do make sure that you engage with me in the comment section. I'll make sure that I get back to each and every one of you with your different comments or questions. I highly appreciate the engagement that I've been receiving on my last few videos. And please don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I do have a website.
One eternity later.
As I was saying guys, I do have a website now where you can actually shop my lip glosses and versagel on the website. I am going to leave the link to the website in the description box below. I'll actually highly appreciate your support. Other than that, thank you so much guys for actually taking time out and watching my videos. And the pigment that I used in this video for this specific lip gloss, it was just me trying to mix a few pigments to actually come up with my own nude lip gloss color. It was supposed to be pink at first, but actually as I was mixing it, I ended up loving the pinkish nudish shade that it had given me. It's not too bright, so I love these types of colors. So guys, that's all for the video today. Hope to see you on my next one. Please share my channel with everyone you think might benefit from my videos. Other than that, please make sure that you stay blessed and stay safe. Bye.
One eternity